Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 13 in the How to Build a Builderall Website series. So in this video we're going to be purchasing our domain name for our Builderall website, and we do this by going to a website called NameCheap. So I'm going to go to the top corner and type in NameCheap.com. Misspelled it, of course. Alright. Now I'm already logged in. So what you want to do is you want to go in the corner and it'll say create an account. So you just want to create an account, all your information. You're going to need your credit card information. And once you log in, you're going to see this home page right here. And what you want to do is you want to choose your website name, your domain name. So I'm just going to choose one real quick. Let's say I want to make a ketogenic diet website. So let's do Keto Aspire site.com. Go ahead and see if that's available. Okay, and the check mark says that's available. So it says $8.88 a year plus tax. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add to Cart. Just add a cart. Now we just want to purchase a domain name. We don't need hosting. So we're going to scroll all the way down and see anything else we want to look at. And right here is our total. Okay, so let's go to checkout. All right. So right here we're going to say the registration is ketoaspiresite.com. We want the 1 year. You can go more, but 1 year is fine. And it's up to you if you want to auto-renew or you want to do it manually. We have our 18-cent ICANN fee. The domain privacy is free forever, which is really great about NameCheap. And you can choose to enable or auto-renew. And so what we want to do is we want to click Confirm Order. And I'm not going to do this right now because I've already purchased the Keto Aspire domain name. But you would follow through with your credit card information. And if you want to renew, if you want to auto-renew, of course. Like I said before, this is just how to buy the domain for your website. It is a short video. So in the next video, we're going to connect it to our website inside of Builderall. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments and you want to type them in down below in the comment section, feel free to do so. You can also put in there any other videos or tutorials you want me to do. If you'd like a $1 30-day trial of the Builderall, I have a link down in the description down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Have a great day.